Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brothers? Today we make a night class with Mr. What is your good name? Wafiq, Mr. Wafiq. Tomorrow they have exam. I hope they will pass tomorrow.
Yeah, sure, I will pass.
Yeah. Take right. Look center meter and take your position. We are enter in next road. You have stop signs. Look there. Your brake is not well, brother. Go. When you use brake, use little bit long. As yesterday I was told you, no?
Yeah.
We can use long brake. Like when we came here, we don't like push.
Stop.
Yeah, push.
Yeah.
Yeah. And near your stop line also.
Okay.
Go left and make U-turn. Look center mirror. Change the line. Keep middle, huh? Take right there. This is your right.
Oh, I thought
No problem.
it changed.
No problem. Now go straight, huh?
Okay. And there is some sound coming from the car. Is that normal or?
No, it's okay. This is all like yesterday.
Yeah.
In roundabout, we are going left.
Roundabout.
Yes. Go left, change your line. Look hard shoulder also. Put signal left.
From that place, you should put the signal.
Yes, put signal. Yes. Because we are going to enter in roundabout. How somebody knows we are where we have to go? In about your signal. Check inside the roundabout. Take your position. Wait him. Huh? Find your gap. Go little front. Yes. Hold on. No problem. Okay. After taxi.
No, before the taxi.
Okay. No problem. If you easily manage, like they're not have a disturb about you, no
Or
problem.
make a U-turn?
Yeah, put signal right. This is our left, brother. I was told you to we are going. This is our left.
Oh, okay.
Go again. We make it one more turn. Go. I will let you know when we have exit.
So, straight.
Close your signal. Now put your signal right. Yeah, exit same line. This is our left. No?
Okay.
Yes.
That was funny.
Yeah.
You know,
You
like-
forget.
Yeah. No, it's,
Come to
it's
take
not
care.
forget because I don't understand.
You should have to come your line. After speed breaker, come your line.
Okay.
Go straight, continue. In roundabout, we are going straight.
Yeah.
Brake. Follow the middle one. Huh? Enter in middle and exit also the middle one.
So I should give now signal.
Put signal left first. When we are middle, then put signal right in your exit signal.
Okay.
Check there also. Find your gap. When you get gap, then you immediately enter your car. Okay. Go. Middle one. Huh?
Yeah.
Follow in your lane. Put signal right. Yes. Exit same line. Okay, if your signal have close, again put it, no problem.
Okay. Because sometimes it automatically
Yeah, I
switches off.
understand. That's why. Enough. Okay, check there. See, your gap is going to very close. So why you not release your accelerator? Like for example, you have distance for 3 seconds. Let's suppose 3 seconds
Yeah.
or 2 seconds. If you they will come to like 1 second. Why you don't release your accelerator before?
Yeah, you should have vision. More
Yeah,
vision.
yeah. Actually, the night time the visibility not very well.
That's right.
So you must to you know what I said. You must to get ready.
Yeah. That's the most important thing about
Yeah.
driving. You should have
Yes.
vision. You know?
Vision, yes.
You should expect what's gonna happen.
Yes, yes. Release your accelerator. This road have a 60. We are already near to 80.
Okay.
So you can follow the 60. Go, it's coming, no problem. Normally you can go. We have long time, don't worry.
Okay.
Before turning, you must have your control in your car. Use little bit brake, only just control purpose.
Yeah.
Check shoulder.
Yeah, good.
Yes. Go straight, continue. Come to take right.
Right?
Yes. We are not allowed to come. We are not allowed to this track. We have to long drive, long way drive.
So that road the limit is 80.
Yeah, no problem. Go more. Give more accelerator. We are now in 70.
70.
Yeah. Look small one.
Yeah, got it. There's a small one inside.
Yeah. Yes, now we are in 80. Release your accelerator. Keep your line.
Okay.
Keep staying your line. Change the line in right side. Check center mirror and side mirror. Have you clear in side mirror?
Yeah.
Stay in your line. Release your accelerator. Scan in your area. You should have to scan in your front area, which like in upcoming we have some difficult difficult moment, difficult situation. You must read before
Yeah.
come there.
To
right
give
side.
yourself sometimes,
Yeah.
in case you wanna do something,
Yeah.
you'll have time.
Yes.
Are we going that way?
Yeah, same way. In Ajman Port and Custom. Brother.
This one?
Yes. Grand Port and Crystal.